Assalamualaikum, our friends. Here today we start the tenses and we initiate from the to be tense. Here we know that there are the three tenses: present, past, and future. Present, past, and future. If any person asks you that how many tenses are there, you must tell him that there are basically three tenses: present, past, and future. Then it has many branches as well as to be simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous, potential, whatever. So it means that there are basically three tenses: present, past, and future. Today we start from to be tenses. Now we start from to be tenses. To be tenses are actionless sentences. We know that present to be tense, past to be tense, and future to be tense. But again, we study here in simple way. We know that to be tense it is also called the actionless sentences. To be tense is also called actionless sentences. Here, present to be. Present to be, its helping verb is am are. No main verb or no action, only state and existence. We must remember that in any kind of the to be tenses, either it can be the present to be, past to be, or future to be. In all the to be tenses, there is no main verb, no action verb. In to be tenses, there is shown only state and existence. हालत मौजूद in Urdu or Sindhi. We know that in to be tense, present to be tense, helping verb are is, am, are, and no main verb or no action verb. Again, we say, if we say into Urdu, the what is the meaning of state sentences here? जैसे कि मैं घर में हूँ. State means मैं डॉक्टर हूँ, अमीर हूँ, गरीब हूँ, शागिर्द हूँ, whatever so. It means that when we say कि तालिब मतलब कि when we say that state means in Sindhi कि मैं डॉक्टर आया, अमीर आया, गरीब आया, होशियार आया, जडो आया, this is a state. When we say कि मौजूदगी into Urdu कि मैं घर में हूँ, शहर में हूँ, मस्जिद में हूँ, कहीं पे भी, it means that it show the existence. But in Sindhi we say कि मैं घर में आया, शहर में आया, कोर्ट में आया. These are the sentences of existence. Besides, we should also know that what are the subjects. Subjects are I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These all are the subjects and these are the personal pronouns. Okay? Then we know that states such as I am doctor, am I a doctor? I am not a doctor. Then am I not a doctor? Okay. These are the sentences of state here. I am doctor, I am engineer, you are a pilot, you are a doctor, you are engineer, whatsoever, you are a shopkeeper. These are the sentences of state here. And there are the four types of sentences: affirmative, interrogative, and negative sentences. Here I am doctor, I am teacher, am I teacher, I am not a doctor, am I not a doctor. Again, I am or you are in house or at home. Okay. This is the state and this is the existence here. And then we know that there are the four types of sentences. Affirmative, interrogative, negative, interrogative, negative. There are four types of sentences here: affirmative sentences, interrogative negative, and interrogative negative sentences. In Sindhi or Urdu, we know okay, how can we make the sentences into affirmative, interrogative, and negative. But when we are defining the sentences into English, suppose you are a teacher, he is not a doctor, so is he doctor? They are not students. Is she not a good girl? Yes, this is you are a teacher. This is a affirmative sentence. And into English, how can we know the sentence is affirmative? When their subject, then helping verb, then article or whatsoever. It means the first is subject, then is helping verb. This is the affirmative sentence. But first of all, when we use the helping verb, then subject, then the sentence will be the interrogative. And the negative sentence, they are not. It means first subject, then helping verb, then not. Again, is she not a good girl? It means that first helping verb, then subject, then not. This is the present to be tense. Similarly, we can say past to be, helping verb, was for singular and were for plural. Singular for plural, also for you, because use also used as the singular as well plural, but it takes the helping verb as the plural always. Now here again the state and existence. State and existence. In all the to be tenses there is state and existence only. Here के पास कि मैं घर में था, डॉक्टर था, मैं अमीर था, गरीब था. This is past to be. And उसके अलावा it means that state and existence also available. In to be tense we also use the definition. It includes the state and existence. जबकि मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि we know कि किसी भी to be tense में action verb नहीं होता. There is no main verb or no action in any kind of the to be tense. के past हो, present हो या future हो. Present to be में is am are helping verb, past to be में helping verb are was and were. तो sentence again includes कि you were teachers, they are at school or in school, whatever. It means कि state और existence के sentence होते हैं. To be tense में there is no main verb or action verb नहीं होता to be tense में. तो only difference is that कि past to be के helping verbs are separate, was and were. और उसके अलावा sentence can also be shown in the past tense कि डॉक्टर था, अमीर था, गरीब था, घर में था, बाहर था, मस्जिद में था, शहर में था. These are the sentences are past to be tense. Here we know that in Sindhi we say कि ये अमीर हो, ये गरीब हो, होशियार हो, उस्ताद हो, घर में हो, शहर में हो, मस्जिद में हो, क्लास में हो. These are the sentences of to be tense, past to be or present past to be. Again, future to be, helping verb, will be, shall be. We use the helping verb here, the future to be tense helping verb again will be and shall be. And we use the helping verb shall be for subject I and we. Besides these subjects, we use the will be with other subjects. Suppose he, she, they, you. It means that besides I, we, the other subjects he, she, it or any other nouns, they take the helping verb will be. Only I and we take the helping verb shall be. But one thing to be noted here, in future to be tense only state is here. There is no existence. the existence can be shown in the maybe or might be, कि अगर फ्यूचर टू बी में ज़्यादातर स्टेट के सेंटेंसेस होते हैं, क्योंकि अगर इनमें हम एग्जिस्टेंस की बात करेंगे तो दो सेंटेंस विल बी रिलेटेड टू एज, किससे रिलेटेड किया जाएगा कि मे बी और माइट बी, वो घर में होगा, ठीक। यानी कि यहाँ पे इसमें इस जस्ट स्टेट होती है, एज ओनली स्टेट, I shall be teacher, affirmative, interrogative, shall I be a doctor, interrogative. Here I shall be a teacher, affirmative sentence, shall I be a doctor or engineer or teacher, whatsoever, this is the interrogative. And negative sentence is you will not be a doctor. Interrogative negative, will he not be an engineer? This is interrogative negative. Here subject, then will, then not, then be, उसके बाद interrogative and negative is also written here. This is the to be tense, present to be, past to be, future to be. It is very easy. That's why we did in one lecture. After that we will start initiate the simple tense are present simple, past simple, or present indefinite, past indefinite and future indefinite. We will start after this lecture. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.